So this at the moment is set to off effectively, so we can now change things on the board. So at the moment you can see there's a fire in zone 4. We've actually got a faulty sensor up there at the moment which is getting replaced. So we press control panel reset, it resets it, and then you can press silence the alarm just there, and it silenced it and the fault is still there. Okay, if you want to turn it off, just turn it off. Okay, but you won't be able to access the board until it's on. Okay, and that's when you can sound the alarms and reset the control panel.